Change my style. Ooh. Morris, the crochet.
All right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, like to everyone, wherever you are. Yes, thank you so much for watching. My name is Morris, the Crochet Master. And yes, I'm here to introduce to you this 5-star Locs, and it is a very new extension, and it is from Darling Company Uganda. It's from Darling Company Uganda. So for those ones who are going to watch this tutorial, in case you need the in case you love the style, yes, this is the best hair extension that I can always use, because it is very soft, and it is very easy like to use, as you're going to be seeing. So this is how it comes looking like. This is how it looks. It is already like looking like a fox locks, but the good thing about it is that it is too soft, as you're going to be seeing. It is soft and light. So we're going to try to see how we can do it. Most of the times we have been doing these other different types of hairstyles, and that would be like the fox locks, the butterfly locks, and more others. So this time around, let's try to see these 5-star locks, how you can do them. Like you can do it the same as like those butterfly locks and the other fox locks. So let's see how it can come out. And first and foremost, I would like to first introduce, like to say hello to everyone who is watching me, mostly like those of United States of America, and I have those ones in Germany, Tobago, those ones in Ghana and Nigeria. Thank you so much. Still, my friends from Netherlands, and then the UK. Thank you so much. So please, let's try to see how this is going to work out, and I hope you will learn something from it. So when you try to listen to me very well, I always try to teach you about these locks, like mostly the butterfly locks, the fox locks, that the extension you use depends on the parting of your hair. So the way you part your hair, the spacing is also going to it is supposed to be equivalent to that extension that you're going to add on. So if the parting, the spacing is small, the boxes are small, please, the extensions are all supposed to be small. But the problem is, most of the times we do these hairstyles, and they become they become not protective, just because we are the one doing those mistakes. This is when you find someone is doing like the fox locks, or even these these locks that we're doing, and you're overpacking the whole head, like those people who always love to overpack the front. Yes, the front. So it means it is not bad like to pack the hair, like to overpack it is not bad. But remember, when you're overpacking, it means you're holding the little hair. When spacing, it's the little hair you're holding. So that means when you hold the little hair, you have to add on the extension that is very little also. So don't make the extension big when you're holding the little hair. That means that this hair is not going to hold this extension for all that long, because we all know that the fox locks and maybe the butterfly locks, even these locks, they last longer. So the more you try to do it that way, trust me, it might break your hair, mostly in front. So that's why people are losing their hairline because of that simple thing. So I would like to advise, at least try to make sure that the braid you're using is supposed to be equal to the extent the hair that you have parted. That would be the right way. If you're overspacing it, like those very big spaces, yes, the extension can also be very big, but don't do this when the extension is big and then you space small boxes. That will lead to the breakage of a hairline, and sometimes even it brings this uncomfortability. You find someone has got a lot of braids on the head, and when it reaches by the time of sleeping, you cannot even hold a donut as you're going to sleep. So you find there is some kind of tension that you're causing trying to style the braids or even the locks. Then you find out it is going to break, mostly in front. So to avoid all that, we need to make sure that the spacing that we do is also supposed to matter the extension that we are going to do. That is always my advice when it comes to this kind of braiding. So please, if you have any other question that you need to ask, you can tell me where you're watching this video from, and then you ask anything. I'll be right there to answer you as soon as possible. And yes, I always want to hear from you guys wherever you're watching the videos from, because yes, that is my happiness. That is when I see that yes, the work that I'm doing, it is working for many people, and they're also trying to learn from this YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. That is Hair by Clippers with Z. And yes, even we have online courses if you want to join us. So you can click on that link in the bio, in the description. It will take you through the courses, and you can choose the course that you want to learn, and trust me, you will be able to learn it perfectly. Yes, as usual. So let's see this video and tell me what you think about these locks. And yeah, I hope you're going to love it. Bye bye. See you in my other next video. And before that, remember, on this channel we always upload videos every week. No. It is like every week we upload videos. So and different types of hairstyles. So that is the good thing about this channel. So if it's your first time, please, you're welcome, and make sure that you click on the red button, ring the bell for the new updates, and I still welcome the return subscribers. Yes, thank you so much to come back. So please, let me see you in my other next video, and may God bless you all.
Ooh, yeah. I don't know what they did, but you look so beautiful. Mubitabe byange wasomye, otunulanga Miss Independent. Your hair so perfect, looks like it was made straight out of heaven. Yeah, oli malaika from head to your toes. Bakukozeko oli chiso. Eyo jovudde bamanyi kye bakola, bakole biriko. Hair by Clippers. Yeah. Hair by Clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair by Clippers. Yeah. Hair by Clippers. Balling it like expected. Neat like expected. Whoa, yeah. Oh, na 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 na. Touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh no. Katonzi by my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. oyingite wongo yaka. Morris the crochet master did a make on you. Yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice. Body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good. Nobody do it like Morris. Yeah. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh no 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No no no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Morris. Your crochet master, Morris. Your crochet master, crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Yeah, yeah. Crochet master. You need a little loving. Boy, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Domuko no mukugo bumaniche kukora. Kitake wa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup one a genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, you a crochet master. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jangu, Jangu. Morris. Crochet master. Yeah. One time, you know. Youngster. Oh na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah. One time, baby. Yeah. Hey, baby Chana. Ya pretty Chana. Ola bika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okulidiwa kaviri gwe koyolesa. Maniki wa pediki wanga tabu. Basi obuviri mwato buliyo.